Golden-shouldered parrots are wonderful little birds. The males are beautifully coloured and the females are this duller green, but absolute masters of camouflage. But they're endangered and declining, and Artemis Station is one of their last strongholds. This year's parrot breeding season has begun, and today I'm joining Sue Shepherd from Artemis Station on a search for parrot nests.
Most parrots nest in tree hollows, but the golden-shouldered parrot nests in a termite mound or an ant bed and hollows out inside.
But they don't just use any mounds. They're quite fussy with what mounds they'll nest in. They select the rarer conical ant mounds.
Over here, Pat. We'll have a look. Eggs don't look too good to me. There's a couple of broken eggs in here. All a bit dusty, I don't even think they were hatched. Failed nest. Yeah, all gone. All finished.
Sue has been collecting data on the breeding biology of golden-shouldered parrots on her property for the past 40 years, and it's the best data we have available on this species.
Well, I like doing it. I like being walking around out here in the bush, all by myself. I don't have to talk to nobody. You're not allowed to put that on there.
Maybe I will.
We're going to go to the tree line now and walk into the tree line.
What do you reckon of this, Sue? That looks like a fresh one.
Yeah, it's a good nest.
Oh, beauty.
I'll just have a look.
Eggs or chickens in there?
Well, it's a hard nest to see in, but I can see two tails anyway.
Oh, beautiful.
Fully coloured.
How many you got in there, Sue?
Oh, I can only see two.
Just the two?
Yeah. I can hear the parents. It must be feed time, we better...
Oh, righto. Better get out of here.
Out of here for a while.
Yep. Well, here we go. Down into that quinine. They're a very cautious little bird. When they come down to the nest, they'll sit up in the tree and wait around, make sure there's no predators about before they'll come down and go into the nest. Well, here we go. There are some clear advantages to nesting in termite mounds. Unlike other parrots that nest in tree hollows, the ant beds are immune to fire and they stay at a relatively stable temperature. The parrots have this really interesting relationship with a native moth. The moth lays its eggs inside the golden-shouldered parrot nest. The caterpillars are really important for helping keep the nest of the parrot clean. They'll eat the poop of the parrots and help prevent disease outbreak. There are also disadvantages to nesting in the termite mounds. It means the nests are quite low to the ground, which makes them vulnerable to predators. There he goes. And the thickening we're seeing across the woodlands and grasslands of Cape York mean that the parrots are now much more susceptible to predation by ambush predators such as butcherbirds and goshawks.
The butcherbirds get really mad when I go to mind the nest. They squawk and squawk and go on because they think I'm touching their food.
So our top priority is thinning back that thickened vegetation around the active nests to give them a fighting chance. Oh, here she comes. There she is. are going to go in. Such a privilege to be sitting here watching these parrots, because in reality, without proper management, they could just blink out tomorrow and be gone.
It'd be a real shame if we lost it and on Artemis, so we're doing all we can to save it.